Hello and good morning, dear friends and family, learning family. Hopefully, all of you are well and having a really very good time. I'm also well by the mercy of Almighty God. My name is Porosh, and right now I'm here by the beautiful Shitolokha River, as you can see. Oh, the place is really stunning, right? And have a look, what an amazing view it is. It looks so wonderful, right? Okay, and that's why I thought this peaceful place would be great for today's video. And that is why I have come here 10 minutes earlier and now I am in front of the camera. And today's weather is also fantastic weather. It's a little bit cold and calm, but the environment is perfect for making a video. And I'm so happy after coming here, and now it's time to make my video. Okay, so in today's video I will share with you an important topic, which is so many of you have asked me that, brother, how can we learn English, or what should we do at the beginning, or how did you start your English journey? So in this video I will share my experience with all of you, and of course I will share some of my ideas also with you, and hopefully you will find my video beneficial. Okay, so without further ado, let's tell you about this topic, and hopefully you will enjoy my video. Okay, so at first I have to clarify one thing, which is I have been learning English for past year, and it wasn't an easy journey for me, but I can proudly say that I made significant improve, I made significant progress, because the journey was only of one person, and that was me. When I took the decision that I will learn English, then that time no one was around me for help, no one was around me for helping me. But I had a strong mindset. My mindset was something like that: I will have to learn English anyhow or at any cost. And that was my ultimate goal. And afterwards, I just tried my best. Every day I practiced a lot, as much as I could. And nowadays, and that is the reason why I am being able to speak in front of you. And I didn't go any coaching center. I didn't have any teacher who could teach me English. I took all my responsibilities in my own shoulder, and my mindset also was something like that: this is my life, so I have to take my all responsibilities in my own shoulder, and I have to develop myself. And this is something that I have been doing every day. I am trying to improve myself, and I am so lucky that I am making English videos. Still I am every day I'm trying to learn English perfectly and confidently. Because why I am telling you this? Because many of us, we start our journey, but after a few days we give up. But after 1 year, still I am making English videos. Still I'm so passionate about it. That's why I'm so lucky. And sometimes I think, oh, Porosh, you are doing great every day. You have the same passion from when you started your journey. So you are carrying this passion, and hopefully I will carry this throughout my life. And we all know how much important is it for us to learn English and speak English confidently and fluently. Okay, so now I want to tell you something about learning English. If you are beginner, or if you are thinking how can you develop your English, when I started my journey, I realized one thing, that environment is really important for our spoken English. And then I created my own environment. I surround myself with English. Wherever I went that time, I listened English as much as I could that time. Okay, it doesn't matter how many, I never ever count how many minutes or how many hours I listened, but I listened a lot. I listened a lot. And in my environment, I surround myself with English. Every day I watched so many English videos on YouTube, and YouTube is a great platform. If you want, you can get any information from YouTube. And I never ever seek anyone's help. It's really true. Yeah, it's true, I had no one to help me, but I never ever seek anyone's help, because I realized that time that it's my life, so I have to take all my responsibilities, and I have to make myself a better one. I have to progress in my life. And yeah, that was my really great intention. And that is the reason, maybe still I am in the same process, still I am developing myself. So it's really, really great. So if you are also willing to learn English, then you also need to create an environment. Okay, so surround yourself with English, try to listen English a lot, try to watch English videos, and if you want, you can carry your earbuds or your headphone with you. Like I'm carrying my headphone with me wherever I go, or whenever I stay outside of my home. I just try to wear my headphone um, in my ears, and I just try to listen English. Listening is so important, and you can also practice English by yourself. You can choose any topic and try to speak like for 3 minutes, 4 minutes. It's totally up to you. So if you are so willing to learn English, then you have to do these things, and you also need to learn English every day. You have to learn 5 or 10 sentences at the beginning every day, and later you have to utilize these sentences while you are speaking. So this is very simple way how can we start our English. And we need a strong mindset is really important. But there is a group of people who just think that, oh, I don't have that much facilities, I don't have that much confidence, I don't have that much faith on me, what should I do? Brother, if you are someone who are just thinking about these things, you just need to start your journey. If you just get started, then you will see things are changing. My mindset was also something like that before starting English. I mean, before start learning English. But afterwards, when I start my own journey, then I realized, oh, learning English is so easy. If I can practice every day, or if I make conversation, if I make videos, then it will be very easy for me. And that is now I'm realizing it. Oh, that time I was just thinking that this kind of unnecessary things, but now English is so easy for me because I have been practicing it for a long time, and I have been making videos, and I'm sharing my ideas, I'm sharing my experience with my audience. Now people know me, people recognize me just because of English. So you need to feel the value of English in yourself, okay? And never ever wait for anyone's help. Do the things that you want by yourself. Try to make your own dreams. Try to follow your dreams. Try to listen about what your heart is telling you, okay? You don't need to listen anyone's or you don't need to wait for anyone's approval, okay? Just listen your heart. Try to listen your dreams and try to work on your dreams. That we really need to do. Yeah, so this is the thing that we can do at fast. Okay, so you can watch English videos, you can practice every day, you can make conversation with your friends, with your family members. If you have someone in your family who is so good at English, then you can make conversation with him or her. Yes, I have a younger brother, and his name is Snigdo. I always make conversation with him in English. Whenever we stay together, we just try to practice our English together. And that's, as a result, Snigdo nowadays, he is also good at English. So if you have someone like him in your own family, try to speak English with him. No matter what is the topic, just try to select a very simple topic and try to make some sentences. Okay, so the place is so beautiful, and I'm having a really very good time here. It's weekend, and I have come here in order to make this video. And I hope you understood my points, and you will utilize these things in your learning journey, in your journey, and hopefully you will be able to speak in English the way you are actually wanted now. So yeah, that is the thing. So the video is getting longer, and I don't want to make it more longer. Always keep believe in yourself. Always try to keep focus on your dreams, because it's our own life. So we have to take our all kind of responsibilities, and we have to focus on our development, because no one will come and tell us, Porosh, or like any to you, that this is your way, just go here, then you will see success. No one will tell you like this. So try to take your own responsibilities. So that's all for today. I think it's enough, and it's time to go home. And after going home, I will enjoy my Friday, I will enjoy my weekend. I have some plans for afternoon. Hopefully I will make them happen. So yeah, have a great day to all of you. Always keep learning, keep focusing, always always stay in positivity. Do not listen any negative words, or do not surround yourself with negativity. Have a great day to all of you. Take care of yourself from a beautiful place of Narayanganj district.